How to download your status report and your CAC certificate. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download your status report and your CAC certificate. All you need to do is to log into your dashboard, and then you come right down to where you have your registered name. If you have been following me before now and you have watched the previous training properly, you will understand and know that there is difference between where you reserve your name and where you register your business name. So for you to get to where you have your certificate, all you need to do is to come to these three lines at your left hand side. Click on that spot. It will display another special interface for you. Then you navigate to where you have registrations. Then it will take you properly to where you can download your certificate. Then the next thing is for you to come to the front of this your approved and click on action that you have there. Once you click on that action, it's going to display a particular box where you have view application, download receipts, download certificates, download status reports, and view or generate thing. So what we want to do now is to download certificate. The next thing for you to do is to click on that download certificate, and it will load up and open up your certificate for you to download on your phone. After that, you come back again and still click on that action and go to download status reports. Click on download status report. It will load up also and download your status report for you. So here is your status report. It has already been downloaded on our phone like this. So as it is like this, you had already gained access to your certificate and your status report. It's already on your phone. All you need to do is to go to your phone and go and get it and make use of it. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to like. If you have any question, drop your question in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when next I drop another video. In our next video, I will be discussing and showing us how we can generate our CAC certificate with the TIN number on the certificate. So stay tuned for the next video.